In pride, I turned away, ignored the truth, refused to pray. But still you waited, full of grace, with open arms and mercy's face. I chased the world, I broke your heart, I tore your love and truth apart. Yet still you called me through my shame and gently whispered out my name. Forgive me, Lord, I see my wrong. I've been a stranger far too long, but now I fall on bended knee and cry for you to rescue me. Amazing grace has reached me still. I bow before your sovereign will. You sent your Son to bear my sin, to cleanse the mess I carried in. He wore my thorns, he bore my pain, and by his blood